How to fix AirPlay not working on your iPhone. Well, to fix AirPlay not working on your iPhone, what you want to do is you want to first ensure that both your devices that you're trying to connect are on the same Wi-Fi network and updated. If you also want to ensure that you have restarted your device beforehand. If that doesn't work, what you can do is try resetting your network settings, like toggling Wi-Fi on and off, disabling the VPNs if you're using it, and checking AirPlay and screen time settings. So all these basic fixtures should easily fix the issue. So to fix the settings, you want to head into settings. Once under settings, you want to find the AirPlay option and head into it. And under it, you should be able to find the option where you see AirPlay and ensure that allow access is set correctly. If it is password protected, you'll need to enter the password on your iPhone. So if these doesn't help, then you can reset your network settings as well. To reset your network settings, head into settings. Once under settings, head into general, and under it you'll find the transfer or reset your iPhone, and from here tap on reset and then select reset network settings. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.